Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be removing my braids and I'm gonna show you how I take care of my hair right after I've removed my braid. So first thing is first, we have to get rid of this braid, and I've had this for like I think 3 weeks and a half. Once it's all done, I moisturize it with some olive oil hair food, and then I massage it, and just before I can detangle I use my Dark and Lovely detangler spray. Then I would comb through some section, as you can see. So yeah guys, take your time with this. It literally took me all night. After this, all I did was just tie up a ponytail and I covered it up and I went to bed because I was so tired. So the next day what I did is hair mask, and it consists of some shea butter. I have the white and brown shea butter, and then I use some hair growth herbal hair food. And right after that I also add in some coconut and vera oil, and then I also add in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and then I add in some olive oil, and then I would add in some cinnamon, 1 egg yolk, and then plain yogurt. I also added in some avocado, some moringa powder, and then some apple cider vinegar. And then you basically just blend everything together for like a minute and a half or so, until it's well blended. So after that I put everything into a Tupperware, and I was so tired to do it myself, so I went to my hairdresser. So this was when I arrived at my hairdresser. This is how it looks like. It's pretty chilled and simple, and the best part is that it's not filled with people, and you know, corona is real, so we have to keep ourselves safe. So first thing is first is I will condition and wash my hair, and then my hairdresser applied in my hair mask. Yeah guys, section by section each and every part of your hair. Leave it on for at least 30 to 1 hour. I poured myself some ginger tea, and I also did my nails. And right after that, we washed out the hair, we lightly conditioned, and then we moisturized it with some coconut oil, and then we added in some mousse and combed it with a white tooth comb and just tied it up. because I kind of needed a few days without my hair being tied. That's all guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe and stay tuned for part 2.